AirLock is a complete, ready-to-install kit that includes everything you need to enable remote keyless entry into your home. Once AirLock is installed, you can continue to unlock your door using your keys as you do now, but AirLock gives you two new ways to unlock your door. The first way is to use your wireless remote. Pressing the left button unlocks your door for about 5 seconds, which is just the right amount of time to easily enter or exit your home. The second way to unlock your door is to simply press the push button on the wall plate. The door remains unlocked as long as you keep the button pressed. This is useful when opening your door from the inside because you don't have to find the remote, and you can always leave your door in the locked position, which increases home security. You won't ever forget to lock your door again. Another feature of the AirLock is the Disable Wireless switch. Turning off this switch disables the remotes from unlocking the door. This is useful if you're going on vacation or simply want to disable wireless entry for the night. You can still use the push button on the wall plate from the inside to unlock the door, and of course using your keys from the outside will still work. Simply turn the rocker switch back on to re-enable wireless entry. The right button activates the second channel, which can be used to control just about anything you want. This particular customer connected it to their garage door opener so they can open and close their garage door using the same remote they use to unlock their home door. AirLock comes with example wiring diagrams showing you how to connect the second channel to your garage door opener, home security alarm, or porch light, but it could be used to control just about anything you want.